Hello guys, today we shall understand how to use equation editor in Word 2003 effectively. But remember one thing, that this can be used only with Word 2003 and not with the higher versions. Now let me explain you. Before we begin this, first we shall create a shortcut for the symbols as well as the equations. So for that, what do we do is that we go to tools, we go to customize, then we go to the keyboard, select insert from the categories, then come down, you will find equation, insert equation over here. Now press Ctrl I and then E and then click assign. Then go for the second one, go to insert symbol. And in insert symbol, you press it Ctrl IS. Now what did I do was, because insert symbol actually abbreviated form gives you IS. So I have taken Ctrl IS. And for the other one, I have taken Ctrl IE, that is insert equations. Now we shall close it. Now first thing we will do is that we shall try to create shortcuts for the symbols that we use in mathematics. So I am pressing Ctrl IS and so the symbol opens up directly. Now what do we do is that we will select the symbol and create a shortcut key. Now this symbol is for every, so we press Ctrl F and E. We need to create shortcuts which we can remember from the word itself. Now we assign it. Then we go to the other one. Say for example, we have a plus sign on the keyboard, minus sign on the keyboard, but we do not have a congruent sign, so we shall put it up Ctrl CO and we shall assign this. After that, we shall take up the triangle and we shall take Ctrl TR. Remember one thing, that we are going to use only those letters which basically represent the same word. Now from here we will select therefore, because there is no therefore on the keyboard. So Ctrl TF, therefore. Then we shall take a perpendicular because there is no perpendicular on the keyboard. So Ctrl P, that is for perpendicular. Then selecting the other one, we have alpha. So Ctrl AL. Then we have beta, so we put up Ctrl BT. Then we have say delta, so Ctrl DT. Then we have gamma, Ctrl GM. We have lambda, Ctrl LA. Then mu and v we don't need in mathematics that much. Pi we definitely need, so Ctrl PI. Then we need theta, so Ctrl PH. And then we shall need a quadrilateral as well, so Ctrl QU. After this, we shall need a dash hyphen, or say we shall need a less than or equal to, so less than or equal to. Then you have F. We need this F because every time we cannot change the italic symbol. So what do? We shall write it as Ctrl FU because we need that for functions. Where did that go? It's here. So Ctrl FU for the function. Then we need this normally for the functions. So Ctrl FT. Then we have a degree. Ctrl DE. Then we have a plus minus sign, so plus minus PM. Then a greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Then we do not have a multiplication sign on the keyboard, so MU, that is multiplication. We also don't have a division sign, so control division. We do not have any not equal to sign, so control NE, that is not equal to. Then we have a null set, so control NU. This is intersection, so control IN. Union, so we take control UN. Then we take not a subset, so control NS. Then a subset, control SS. Then we take it up as belongs to, so BE. Then this one, so does not belong to. Then we take up this angle AN. We have a double implies, so implies and is implied by, so II. And this one control IM. Now after this we shall close this. Now let us see how effectively we can use the the equation editor directly from the board. Suppose I am typing question number 1 and I am saying in triangle ABC, measure angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So we can straight away, type it from the keyboard itself. We may write X belongs to R. Suppose you have something else to type. I shall just enlarge it a bit. Suppose I am typing a function, so control FU, double dot, capital R to R, fx is equal to 2x plus 3. So once you have created those symbols, you can easily go on to put it up directly from the keyboard. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, belongs to, does not belong to, less than equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to, and so on. So this is very easy. Once you create the shortcuts, you can type a mathematics document at a very high speed. Now coming to the equations. For that, first we shall type control IE, and so a dialog box will open. Now suppose if in case I want to type limit, so I will type control TU, then I will type T limit and then X Then now suppose if you want to go in for a fraction, so you will put control F. Now if you want to type x square, so you have to first type x, then control H because it goes up, square, then again click the right arrow so that it comes out, minus 2x plus 5 over x square plus 4x plus 5. So you have your fraction ready. Now suppose, say for example, you are going to integrate. So first control IE, then control I, that gives you an integral sign. Now suppose you have a fraction, then suppose you have a square root over the top. So control R, so it gives you a root. Now x square plus 2x minus 3 over, you can put it up over here, control and then x plus 4 whole and then dx. And suppose if in case after you have typed it and you want to edit it, you can double click on the equation and then put the x. Now when you are typing in the equation editor, when the dialog box opens and you want to create a space between two equations, say x square plus 3x minus 5, suppose this is y equal to, and you want to place an and between the two equations. So when you press the space bar will not act. What you have to do is you have to press control and then press the space bar the number of times you need a space, and then and y is equal to x cube minus 4x square minus 5. I'm sure this shall help, but the only problem is that you need to have Word 2003 in your computer. Higher versions definitely give you equations, but creating shortcuts I have not been able to trace in the higher versions of Word. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.